Question of the day, mother truckers. Have you ever done something amazing to help other drivers, or has another driver ever did something that you just can never forget? Comment down below. Let us know what that was, because there is a brotherhood. People say it's dead. It's not dead. I get this email. It was a beautiful email about a subscriber being saved by another truck driver. How amazing was that? If you heard on the news or read articles on the I-35 in Iowa in Hamilton County, there was an 8-vehicle pileup the other day, and 7 of those vehicles were semi-trucks.
Truck after truck slid helplessly up the exit ramp. In all, 8 trucks and an SUV were involved.
Well, Brian gets out and looks at his semi truck with another driver, and at that instant, another semi truck was coming.
At one point, Robbins and another driver started checking out their damage. That's when the biggest threat yet came barreling their way.
You could hear the screeching of the metal. You have 80,000 pounds of truck coming at you.
Trouble
This guy named Mike Coates grabs him and pushes him under his trailer and saves his life.
was, Robbins didn't have time to get out of the way. That's when another driver named Mike Coates literally took matters into his own hands.
Mike grabbed me by my arm and he dove underneath his trailer. It's pretty much saved my life.
A total stranger one moment, a lifesaver the next.
I mean, Mike, you are a hero. Brian, I'm so glad you're okay. Mother truckers, hey man, stand up, man. This is amazing. I love to hear positive vibes, especially during the holidays. I know it sucks that the accident happened, but I'm glad that everyone was okay.
Now already we have our Christmas special sale today. So if you buy a Mother Trucker hat or a shirt, you get a special gift. And so hop onto the AsianMyShow.com and get your hat or your shirt today, and you'll get something special in the mail. Love you guys, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year!